Did you know? In Blender, there are 3 super useful shortcuts for viewport control. First is Shift+B. Box select the area you want to view and the camera instantly jumps there. Second is Alt+B. It lets you cut out a section of the viewport and isolate the objects inside, making it easy to focus on local edits. Press Alt+B again to quickly restore the full view. Third is Ctrl+B. While rendering, you can box select a region to render only that area. Press Ctrl+Alt+B to quickly restore the full render view. These 3 shortcuts are simple and efficient. Give them a try.